Hi there, this is Renee Rubalcava, and welcome to TypeScript Tacos. Today I want to talk a little bit about how you can use Visual Studio Code to build your TypeScript files for you. So what I have here is I have a very cool TypeScript file described as some classes of tacos. And what I want to do is I want to compile this out to regular JavaScript. So what I can do here is I have a tsconfig.json. And in this case, just for demonstration, I'm going to compile it out to ES6 code. And that's actually going to look an awful lot the way like the TypeScript code itself looks. We'll see that in a second. And to compile inside of Visual Studio Code, on a Mac it's Control Shift B. Windows it'll be Command Shift B on Mac, Control Shift B on Windows. So it's going ahead and create this JavaScript file for me here. So if we look at this, you can see that it's fairly similar to the output, uh, the TypeScript code and the JavaScript code in ES6 is pretty similar, minus the typings, of course. But it's gone ahead and compiled that for us. And in TypeScript, what you can also do is have a tsconfig.json telling you what your JavaScript code is like, so that it knows how you're writing your code. So let's go ahead and let's change this to ES5 here. Let's close this. And let's go to the tsconfig.json. And let's say that we're going to target ES5 code. Now, when you do this, you also need to tell compiler what the module is going to be. So we're going to go ahead and stick with the common.js for now. And let's go ahead and compile that one more time. And now let's look at the output JavaScript file. So in here we can see that it's gone ahead and outputted common.js for us. We have an exports.carne exports.carnitas, and exports.pollo. Very cool, right? Easy enough to do. Let's look at that side by side with the TypeScript file. Awesome. All right, that's very cool. So if you want to change things up a bit, and let's say that you're doing your stuff in AMD, just change that to AMD, come back to the TypeScript file, rebuild, that's been done. Let's go in here, we have an AMD version of our TypeScript files. Again, using the exports to do pretty much the same thing. Exports.carnitas, and pollo. Very cool. You can also tell the compiler that you want to do UMD. So it's going to be compatible with both common.js and AMD configurations. So now we come over here and we can see that it's got the little UMD uh, bit that you usually see up here for files. Awesome. So if you want to learn more about the tsconfig.json, you could find more on the Microsoft's TypeScript wiki. They have a section on tsconfig.json. There's an awful lot you can do. You can actually have it just watch for certain files to update. If you don't want to update every file in your directory, you can exclude different directories from being compiled, and a few other things that you can do. So, hope you had fun. Thank you.